Check engine light. The check engine light can appear for something minor like a loose fuel cap or something much more serious inside the engine system. Modern cars constantly monitor fuel, ignition, emissions, and airflow through sensors. When something goes outside normal limits, the computer turns this light on. The car may still drive normally, which is why many drivers ignore it until the damage becomes expensive. Oil pressure warning light. This warning means the engine may not be getting enough oil pressure to protect its moving parts. Without proper lubrication, metal components begin grinding together almost immediately. Low oil level, pump failure, or internal engine wear can all trigger the light. Even a short drive in this condition can permanently damage the engine. Battery warning light. Many people think this light means the battery is dead, but the real problem is often the charging system. The alternator powers the car while driving and keeps the battery charged. Once it fails, the vehicle slowly loses electrical power until the engine eventually shuts down. Modern cars depend heavily on electronics, so low voltage can affect multiple systems at once. Coolant temperature warning light. Engines create enormous heat, and this warning appears when the cooling system can no longer control it. A leaking hose, failed water pump, or broken cooling fan can quickly lead to overheating. Sometimes the temperature rises slowly without obvious signs. Repeated overheating can warp engine parts and lead to very expensive repairs. Brake warning light. This warning can mean low brake fluid, worn brake pads, or a hydraulic issue in the braking system. Sometimes it simply means the parking brake is still engaged. Even if the brakes still feel normal, stopping performance may already be reduced. Small brake problems can become dangerous surprisingly fast. ABS warning light. The anti-lock braking system helps prevent wheels from locking during hard braking. Before ABS, drivers had to manually pump the brakes on slippery roads. When this light appears, normal braking usually still works, but emergency control may be reduced. Faulty wheel speed sensors are one of the most common causes. Airbag warning light. Airbags stay hidden for years waiting for the exact moment they are needed. This warning means the system may not work correctly during a collision. Problems can come from crash sensors, wiring, or seat belt components. Unlike mechanical failures, airbag issues often stay completely invisible until an accident happens. Tire pressure warning light. Proper tire pressure affects handling, braking, fuel economy, and tire life. Cold weather often triggers this warning because air pressure naturally drops in lower temperatures. Sometimes the light points to a slow puncture or damaged wheel. Driving too long with low pressure increases the risk of a dangerous blowout. Traction control light. Traction control helps prevent wheel spin on wet or slippery roads. In many vehicles, the system works together with stability control and ABS. A flashing light usually means the system is actively helping maintain grip. If the light stays on continuously, the system may no longer function correctly. Power steering warning light. This warning appears when steering assistance is reduced or completely lost. The steering wheel can suddenly feel much heavier, especially at low speeds. Hydraulic leaks, electrical faults, or failing pumps are common causes. Even though the vehicle remains controllable, steering safely becomes much more difficult. Transmission warning light. Modern transmissions rely on complex hydraulic and electronic systems working under high heat and pressure. This warning can signal overheating, slipping gears, or fluid problems. Transmission damage usually develops gradually before becoming severe. Ignoring the warning can turn a small repair into a complete transmission replacement. Glow plug warning light. Found in diesel vehicles, glow plugs help warm the engine during cold starts. When this warning stays on or flashes, the engine may struggle to start or run roughly. Cold weather usually makes the problem more noticeable. Proper combustion temperature remains essential for smooth diesel operation. Diesel particulate filter warning light. Diesel particulate filters capture soot from the exhaust before it enters the air. Over time, the filter must burn away those particles through a cleaning process called regeneration. Frequent short trips can interrupt this process and clog the filter. If ignored, performance drops and repairs become costly. Seat belt warning light. Simple as it looks, this warning represents one of the most effective safety systems ever created. Modern vehicles often combine seatbelt monitoring with airbags and passenger sensors. Some systems even adjust airbag behavior depending on seatbelt use. Crash statistics continue to show how much seat belts reduce severe injuries. Low fuel warning light. Most drivers have ignored this warning at least once. Running extremely low on fuel can overwork the fuel pump and pull debris from the bottom of the tank into the system. Modern range estimates help, but they are never perfectly accurate. Traffic and aggressive driving can reduce remaining distance faster than expected. Stability control warning light. Electronic stability control helps prevent skids and loss of control during sudden maneuvers. The system compares steering input with actual vehicle movement and can brake individual wheels to keep the car stable. Most drivers never notice it working because the corrections happen in fractions of a second. If the warning stays on, an important safety system may no longer be available.